Greetings, everybody. Robert Reed with Butler Street here for your weekly tip or trick. I think most of you have picked up on the fact that I don't really sell in these videos. That's not what they're about. They really are about adding value to your life so you can just get better. But you know what? Every once in a while, I'm going to toot my own horn. And today, I want to talk about the adjustments that I've made to our recruiting effectiveness training. I have spent a significant number of hours really dialing in our recruiting effectiveness training. And so if you're sitting there and you're like, man, it feels like our results on our recruiting team are just a little bit stagnant. We need a boost of energy to change things, shake things up. Then let me know. Because here's what I've been doing is I've been working with ChatGPT to really develop some great exercises to help recruiters just work smarter, not harder. I've actually got 2 groups going through the training right now, and people are saying, this is awesome. I can't tell you how much time you're saving me each and every day with just these different exercises. So when we think about the different topics that are going to be covered in this series, I've got them pulled up here. We're going to be crafting value statements with ChatGPT, emails, voicemails, scripts for when that candidate actually answers the phone. I got text messages. What do you do when a customer just rambles on an intake call? We got a game plan for that. Role practicing with ChatGPT. If you're a recruiter and you're like, I don't know what this job is, I don't even know where to get started, great, we got a game plan for that. Maybe your customer does something really outside of the ordinary. You're like, I don't even know what this customer does. We got a game plan for that. So if you're looking for a spark of energy in your recruiting game plan, you want to get more results with your recruiters, hit me up. Let me know. I'm really excited about this new material, and I want to share it with as many recruiters as possible. All right. That is your weekly tip or trick. See you next time. Bye.